Hello students, welcome to e-learning of new class. I'm again with you chapter 2 part 1 The Sound of Music, and it's written by Deborah Colley. Now it's about the author. Deborah Colley was born in India on 1806 and she grew up in Toronto, Canada, graduated in English from the University of Western Ontario. She was an Ottawa based writer and broadcaster. She has traveled the world while writing the more than 100 articles and different editions of the Reader's Digest, many of which have been translated into dozens of languages. She passed away in 1849 at the age of 43. And here is the first part, that is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Now let's discuss the title. The title itself is very interesting. Here the author says Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Now we all wonder, we are confused. How can you listen to the sound when you can't hear it? So it's something we will discover, that how Evelyn Glennie was able to listen to the sound although she could not hear. So now before we proceed with the story, let's discuss. God may have taken her hearing, but the God has given her back something extraordinary, and what we hear she feels for more deeply than any one of us. That's why she expresses the music so beautifully. So here the student, the theme of the story, perfection. She listens to the sound without hearing it, and she fought against a physical disability and become the source of inspiration for thousands of disabled persons. The story of Evelyn Glennie is a motivational story. It inspires of all of us to overcome the physical disability and achieve the dream and the goal just like Evelyn did. Here the summary. So early life of Evelyn was profoundly deaf. She was completely deaf, but her mother, she has discovered that she was deaf, and afterwards she that Ron Forbes, who recognized her the disability, but he encouraged her to achieve her goal. He advised her not to listen through her ears but to sense it from the way she felt, and soon she was able to recognize each and every sound by her body. Achievement of Evelyn. Evelyn joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She worked with strong determination, and she also the inspiration for the deaf children. She was the most that she, as you can say that she was extraordinary, and she encouraged the deaf children, and she contributed at so many orchestra, and she inspired the handicapped and made them to believe that if she could do, why not they could. So here the message, students. Evelyn Glennie basket give us the message that handicap may be counted problems, and maybe they overcome, and inspirations can be realized if one is firmly resolute and confident. Hardship certainly achieve the highest goal. So and whatever the challenges she faced, and that is what's given in this part 1, that is Evelyn Glennie. Students, here is your some words meaning is given there. So just enrich your vocabulary. So just go through it and write in your classwork copy. Here are some question answers. girls go for you better understanding. And please do write it in your class of copy, and let us complete this. Thank you and have a nice day.